Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. That cat went in that cabinet, opened the door by itself. And it didn't shut the door by itself, but it did open the door by itself. Decided to get in there and look around. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, Walter. Wilbur. Wilbur. I hear him. He's moving some bowls around. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Wait. Just wait. Kitty, kitty. Maybe he decided he's going to take a nap in there. There she is. There he is. Hey, Wilbur. Yep. Hey, Wilbur. Oh, gosh. Wilbur. All right, shut the door. Thank you. It shut the door.